friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to take you on the journey of giving my utility closet upstairs a refresh. It really needs it. I want to thank my sponsors of this video, Cricut. They are going to be my partners in crime to help me get the mission accomplished. So let's get started. Okay friends, let's take a quick look at the before of my utility closet. Too many cleaning products up here. A lot of them don't even apply to the areas that I'm cleaning in the upstairs area, so really want to purge those down and put them in the backlog in the garage. Also, I want to get rid of the boxes and the canisters and really give it a fresh update. So I want to jump right in and let's get started. So of course I have to grab my partner in crime, my Cricut Maker 3. Having a Cricut machine is such a useful tool to have when you're trying to organize your home. And for this project, I'm going to be creating beautiful, customized cleaning bottles along with labeling the items within the closet. Now, some of the essentials is my scraper, also my Cricut Bright Pad Go. This really is an essential tool to help you when you're weeding your projects. I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorites. Of course, I have to have that transfer tape, and what the transfer tape does is it helps you transfer your project onto the item that you're wanting to put the label or whatever it is on. Of course, my scissors, and I'm using white vinyl for all of the projects in this video. And of course, the Cricut roll holder, which holds the vinyl and the materials as it's feeding through the machine. And if you're not familiar with Cricut, it is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create a personalized projects with hundreds of materials. It works with a software called Design Space that comes free with your machine, and this is where you can create your project and browse from hundreds of images and fonts. Now, once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut. And my favorite feature with the Cricut Maker 3 is that you do not need to use a mat with the smart materials. So with the help of Cricut Design Space and my Cricut Maker 3, it is getting me all put together to create those custom cleaning bottles and to label the rest of my closet. Now, as you can see, I'm going to weed out all of the different labeling and the customization for these bottles. They're 32 ounce, perfect. I can fit a lot of product in here, and it's going to keep things very simple. Now, Cricut also has the Cricut Joy, which is wonderful for labeling projects around your house. If you're just simply looking for something that is just very easy to use and can get beautiful labels for throughout your house, the Cricut Joy is a great option. So now let's get this closet decluttered so that we can rebuild the organization, give it a refresh, and bring back the efficiency that I really want in the space. So friends, I also have these baskets which I think are so cute, and I think they would be perfect for things like my toilet paper, also for my microfiber cloths. And then I've had these clear acrylic boxes for so long and had no use for them, and this is perfect for my utility closet for those things like light bulbs and extension cords. So now that my bottles are good to go, I'm going to put it up on the top shelf, and as you can see, it's very simplified now. Just my linen spray, glass cleaner, countertop spray, and an all-purpose cleaner. That's all I need for this area. Along with, I have the basket with the overage of our toilet paper, because we tend to keep stuff like that within the bathrooms. And then I've refreshed all of my cleaning cloths, my microfiber cloths, and it just feels so good. And so that's the top two shelves. And as I move down, that's where I'm going to put the acrylic shelves, and I'm going to categorize those things that I spoke about earlier. And as you can see, I have my labels that I did on my Cricut there, and it just keeps things very uniform. It looks beautiful. And I love the fact that I can also see, I'm not a big visual person when it comes to my organization, but I do love the acrylic boxes and being able to see my light bulbs and see my extension cords, and also the other little tidbits that I like to use or have store in my utility closet. I also keep the overage for my guest bathroom in here, like my extra curtain, shower curtain, also my aromatherapy. I like to keep that in here. I have a sound machine that my niece Savannah, she always has to have when she's at my house, so she has that sound machine, so I keep that in there. So it's like the aromatherapy bin. And of course the extension cords, which we're always looking for. I'm always grabbing an extension cord. And then on the bottom shelf, that's where I'm putting the just just overage of paper towels, and then my extra bath mat for the guest bathroom because there's no storage for this kind of item in there. And so friends, this is it. And I used to keep my vacuum in here, but because that's changed, I changed vacuums and it's on a charger downstairs now, I freed up that space, and I really love how it looks. It just looks updated, fresh, and very simplified to really what I needed. Okay friends, I am so happy to have this project where I can check it off of my to-do list. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I also want to encourage you to check out Cricut. It is such an amazing tool to have in your home for projects such as these and so many more. I'll link their information down below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you in the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.